Hello everyone, welcome to Postnetwork Academy. My name is Bindeshwar and today we will dive into an important statistical concept, calculating quartiles using a simple dataset. Quartiles are essential in understanding how data is distributed into four equal parts, and they are incredibly useful in data analysis and decision making. But before that, for more resources and videos, you can visit Post Network Academy website, YouTube channel, Facebook page and LinkedIn. So let's get started with the numerical example. So given data set is 2, 4, 6 till 20. Calculate the first quartile, second quartile and third quartile using the quartile formulas. And I would like to inform you that this video I am making again because I chose green color for the font and that is not visible, so I didn't delete the video. Instead I made another video. So this is the same one which I made previously. So example is given, but before, let us recall, quartiles are those values of the variate which divide the distribution into four equal parts. Therefore, number of quartiles is 3. Now, first quartile is denoted by Q1 and to compute its formula is n plus 1 upon 4th, that's observation. So, there are 10 observations, so n is equal to 10. And Q1 would be 2.755 observation. So second observation is 4, and for 0.75 observations you have to subtract 4 from the next observation. So next observation is 6, so you will subtract 4, that is the second observation, and if you calculate that would be 5.50. And below 5.50 there are two observations, 2 and 4, and this consists 25% observations. Now let us see the second quartile. So you can observe that there are even numbers of observations. So you will take average of n upon 2 and n upon 2 plus 1th observations when n is even. So in our case n is even. So just take arithmetic mean of 5th and 6th observations, and that would be 10 plus 2 upon 10 plus 12 upon 2, that is 11, and that divide observation into two equal parts, that means 50% one side and 50% another side. Now let us see third quartile, and it is denoted by Q3, and to compute its formula is Q3 3n plus 1 upon 4, that's observation. So 3 into 10 plus 1 upon 4, that is 8.25, and eighth observation is 16, and plus 0.25, that is the fractional part. So you will just subtract 16, or you can say that you will subtract 8th observation from 9th observation and you will multiply it by 0.25, and finally it would be 16.50. And this 16.50, there are two values which are greater than 16.50. That means 75% observations are below 16.50 and 25% observations are above 16.50. So this is how we have calculated quartiles. I hope this video helped you understand how to calculate quartiles using the quartile formulas. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Page Postnetwork Academy for a more educational content. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.